Good morning.
That's why from the very beginning, aside from the group of disciples that he had, he also singled out 12 apostles, no? The 12 who will become, in a sense, the leaders, no, of his community, no? And I think this is very, very important, no? Because I think anything that we do, no, it's important to be able to create a community around our work and our mission. I think that is very central actually to Christian mission. No? Remember, I think Christian mission is always a mission of community. No? There's always a communitarian aspect to Christian mission. No? And here clearly the Lord does that, no? When He creates the group of 12 apostles, no? To whom He will entrust the leadership of the early church. So that first point to reflect on the importance of entrusting, no, and creating that group to which we will entrust our work and our mission, no. And then the second point is that again here you have in very very key moments, no, in the apostolate and in the work of the Lord and in his especially his relationship with people. You notice that the most important and the key moments, no, is always happening in the mountain. I think again that is very symbolic. Of course, remember that the mountain always symbolizes that meeting point between God and man. No? And here, most certainly, it shows you the importance of this moment. No? When the Lord calls them to the mountain, when the Lord appoints the 12 in the mountain. No? And presumably, no, it was also, remember, it was also the mountain was where the Lord also constantly withdrew in order to pray, no? And so here again the context or the setting of this particular gospel passage is very, very important, no? It is where now a very important decision, no, as a fruit